Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you why a lawnmower wasn't running properly. In fact, it's running very rich. And the solution to this problem is very easy. So I have a Yard Machines lawnmower here with a power mower engine. I will start it up and you will see that it will run rich as if it's being choked. Okay, so you just saw there how it doesn't want to rev at full speed. I will start it up again and show you exactly what the problem is. So as you just saw, it's the air filter. Even though it's not super dirty with dirt and debris, it is still not letting the airflow go through. The reason for that is because it's impregnated with oil and fuel. Someone may have tipped the lawnmower over. The fuel and oil may have come out of the carb and saturated the cardboard in the filter here. So if you get a lawnmower that runs really rich, take off the air filter. Don't cut the lawn with it because all the dirt will be ingested. Just do like I did here. You'll know right away if that's the problem or not. And the obvious repair solution for this is just putting in a new air filter. This repair is so easy that even a monkey could do it. You don't always need to take your equipment to a shop. Check the air filter first. It can be that simple. So now I'm just going to reinstall the new filter here. And on the mower here, it's quite easy. And now I'm going to start it up and you'll see a huge difference like you did earlier. As you saw in the video, guys, sometimes it can be as easy as replacing the air filter in your lawnmower to get it running properly again. If you do replace it and it still runs poorly, you may need to check the carburetor or other things in the engine. But don't underestimate the problems that a dirty air filter or a filter that is impregnated with oil and fuel can do to your machine. Thanks again for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and have yourselves a great day.